I first looked at the American Express Green Card, I thought it was just another mid-tier travel rewards card in Amex's lineup. But after actually using it, I realized it's a surprisingly versatile option, especially for people who spend heavily on travel and dining but don't want to commit to the high annual fees of premium cards. Still, it's not for everyone, and in this review I'll break down exactly why. The American Express Green Card is a mid-tier travel and lifestyle rewards card designed for frequent travelers, citygoers, and anyone who values flexible membership rewards points. It's built to reward spending on travel, transit, and dining worldwide, while offering perks like lounge access credits and travel protections without going into the ultra-premium territory of the Platinum Card. In this review, we'll look at how it performs in real-world use, what it costs, where it excels, where it falls short, and who it's really for. In daily use, the Green Card earns strong rewards on travel and dining, 3x points on a wide range of travel purchases, including flights, hotels, transit, rideshares, and even commuting. The same 3x rate applies to restaurants worldwide, making it an excellent option for people who spend a lot on food, whether they're at home or abroad. All other purchases earn 1x points, so it's not the best card for everyday non-bonus spending. The real value comes when you transfer these points to Amex's travel partners, where you can often get far more than the standard redemption rates. The annual fee sits at $150, which is lower than the Platinum Card but still a commitment. To offset this, Amex includes annual statement credits, currently $189 toward Clear Plus and $100 toward Lounge Buddy Airport Lounge Access. Used strategically, these benefits can easily outweigh the fee. However, if you don't use them, the value drops quickly. There's no foreign transaction fee, which makes it a solid card for international travel. The Green Card's biggest strength is its broad travel category. Many cards limit travel rewards to flights and hotels, but this one covers almost anything travel-related, from trains and ferries to taxis and parking. The dining rewards are equally versatile, applying globally with no special restrictions. Combined with transferable membership rewards points, it's a flexible tool for both casual and frequent travelers. The main drawback is that the card's benefits are relatively slim compared to other travel cards at similar price points. There's no built-in lounge membership, no free hotel night, and no major travel insurance coverage beyond the basics. If you're looking for premium perks, you might find it lacking. It's for. The American Express Green Card is best suited for travelers and diners who want to earn flexible rewards without paying a premium annual fee. It's especially good for people who can take advantage of both the travel and dining categories consistently, and who will actually use the Clear and Lounge Buddy credits. The Amex Green Card is a strong middle ground, more rewarding than basic cards, less expensive than ultra-premium ones. If your lifestyle matches its bonus categories and you use the credits, it can deliver great value. If not, you might be better off with a no-fee card for dining and a separate travel card that offers more comprehensive perks.